Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have a full backup. This protects your Mac OS data if something goes wrong. Once done, check how large the Windows partition is so you know how much space will return to Mac OS. Now, open Bootcamp Assistant from Applications Utilities. This tool handles the removal cleanly. Follow the tool prompts and select the option to remove or restore the disk to a single Mac OS partition. Make sure to keep power connected during the operation. You choose the removal option in Bootcamp Assistant. This tells Mac OS to delete the Windows partition and merge it back into your apps or HFS plus volume. Once selected, verify the partition sizes shown. You want the reclaimed GB to match expectations. Click Restore and let the process run without interrupting. Copying and resizing can take from minutes to an hour depending on drive speed. If asked, enter your admin password so the assistant can modify disk partition. After restore finishes, reboot your Mac and confirm Mac OS boots normally. Check storage in About This Mac to see the reclaimed GB. If Bootcamp Assistant fails, run Disk Utility First Aid on your internal drive. That often fixes partition table inconsistencies. If the Windows partition still appears, you can use Disk Utility to manually delete the small partition or start Internet Recovery to reinstall Mac OS without losing user data. If unsure, stop and restore your backup before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.